you're here, then you probably want to make something delicious like this. But first, I got a couple questions for you. Are you tired of paying that extra bucks for guacamole?
I went online to see other guacamole videos and they're just not that
Do you hate having to rely on others for your guac? Are you a broke ass?
Same.
Then stay tuned because I got the tips, I got the tricks, and I got all the know-hows and everything else on how to make guacamole.
My name is Chema, here with Chema Productions, and this is how to make guac, best guacamole recipe. Let's go, let's get it. Hey, but before that, priorities, people, get you some. So I got to take my homeboy to school, so we're gonna do that. Put up the to-do list so that they know what we're doing. Task number 1, task number 2, I like that. And let's just go. Soupity swoop swoop, bang bang bang, hey, ooh, let's get it. Everything baby. I used to make this video plus the recipe is linked in the description. Check it out. Yo, I'm fucking with this shirt. I don't know where I got it from. Bruh, I haven't been to Florida since I was like 5.
Oh, okay.
Should I shower?
Honestly, you look pretty freaking damn good.
Are you lying though?
Stop!
I think I should just put a hat on. Okay. That's what girls do. I've noticed.
Okay, like you're not fooling anyone, ladies. We know you got a bird's nest under there, but like it's cool because you're still cute and awesome and we love you. Just don't ever for a second think that we don't know.
Yo, a lot of people want me to be making all kinds of crazy videos, but honestly, whoa, it's bright out here. I don't know if I'm about it. I don't know if I'm about it. It's cold out here.
Bruh, oh my, what is that? Oh.
I'm really out here in the woods, G. We out here.
Hey.
I go on a 10-mile journey every day just to get to the car. That's the price. That's the price you pay, man. Come on, man. Hook it up with the lighting. Mother Nature. Jimmy John's. We about to go get some avocados. Cut that out, Chema Productions.
Chema news on the screen, bro. Let go spinning using treat hop.
Not really.
I ain't talking politics, I'm just simply spitting it for the freaking heck of it, bro.
Okay, skirt.
Hit me up with a like or a sub, click that bell, and you might, if you're cool. Comment down below if you think this bit tight.
It is.
Breaking news.
Hey, yo, we back in it. Chema News is really here, bro. Put the glow down here one time, or over here. It's on one of these sides. I don't know which one, but it's there. We are back right into it. Let's get to the topic of the day. Avocados are still expensive as... Bro, okay, I didn't know I couldn't swear, man.
You never told me.
Matter of fact, let's get back to it, man. Put up the to-do list. You know what the to-do list has on it, so let's just go to the next one. Run it one time for the big time, baby, because I can't work under these conditions. Guy, come here. Bye, Sky. Bro, what kind of camera work is this, G? I'm all tilted. Bro, what do I pay you for?
You don't.
Bro, you don't have to put me out like that. So where are you going?
School.
I think you got something there.
I guess just record me dancing for the next. I'll just speed through this. Chema Productions, speed through this.
Okay. 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 Low key, that was like real legit.
So many. No.
How do you know? Am I in focus though? That's you, bro. That comes with the pay. With the
There's
wages.
still no pay.
Bro, I'm saying, but like if there was pay, you know, that would come with it. What am I gonna do when you leave? Like, how am I gonna record myself?
I need you, bro.
I don't know.
Alright, I'll figure it out. So I decided to take a shower, cause yeah, I needed to shower. Like, I know you're not supposed to shower every day, but your boy been showering every day since I was born. And I already knew I was gonna suffer from MPB. Chema Productions hit me with some soft, sad music right now.
Got you.
Yeah, it's tough, but there's a bunch of men out here struggling with MPB. If you haven't heard of it, male pattern baldness. Cut the music. Back to the real life. Let's go get some avocados, cilantro, jitomate, cebolla.
Dang, that's kind of like a lot. I wasn't really expecting this.
Pepper, lime.
I should have never went to college.
That's it.
It's cold.
Got the free samples. That's what I come for. If there's no free samples, I don't go to the store, honestly. Yo, 3 for $5? They went down, bro. I'm about it. 3 for $5 is a decent price. Wait, $1.99 a pound? That's a lot. Yo, how do we know if the tomatoes are good? The color? Alright. How do you know what's a good avocado and what's not a good avocado?
The skin is nice and smooth.
Smooth skin? Yo, 69 per pound.
600. How much did you weigh?
Your attitude is all over the place, bro.
Like that one's not gonna weigh the same as that one.
Your attitude is off.
Okay.
Your attitude is off. Yo, VIP, baby, when you wanna eat at the grocery store. Yo, they didn't tell me about the VIP section over here. Yo, if this was the club, this is where I would be.
What does that have to do with anything?
$7, not bad. Is it though? I don't know. It's decent, $7. Honestly, I'm f***ing with this heavy. Potatoes, on point. I think I'm only f***ing with fresh market food from now on, honestly. Let's get back to avocados though.
Okay.
Oh, these are my weakness. We gotta put these in there.
Ew.
What do you mean ill?
Oh no. Wait, why'd you get these?
Those are the Mexican tortillas. None of this is for the guacamole, by the way. Did you even get cilantro?
No, I don't.
It is.
It's like, what are you doing? I'm doing the video. I need a table.
Oh, maybe you can bring the table from upstairs.
Is that a good table?
Deja tu rascadera.
You serious, bro? It's not even that big.
¿Cómo
What's
la
wrong?
tienes de cochina?
Well, we could just put a tablecloth over it, right? That'll be fine. Ain't no thing. We'll make it work though. It's not super stable.
Damn.
Brand new. You just need a little scrub. Now we just need some kind of cardboard to put under here.
Las caritas de Chuck E. Cheese.
Los
Ahí
caritas
está.
de Chuck E. Cheese. What are you talking about?
Estas.
Oh yeah, let me get that. Which foot? Yeah, give me like 3 more. Chuck E. Cheese coming through. I guess I could do it like this. When you're doing this kind of stuff, you always want to have a helper. Hopefully they're Mexican. If they're not, that's cool. Then you want to have one of these, a molcajete. If you don't know what this is, basically this is a mortar and pestle. And if you don't know what a mortar and pestle is, then you've probably never made drugs, and that's cool. Mexicans use this to make guacamole. So this is the best garlic right here, brought straight from San Luis Potosí. Wait, should I tell them where I'm from? Alright, San Luis Potosí, you know where I'm from.
Okay.
And then you put this baby right here. Alright, bro, here's what you want to do, right? Go ahead and smash, bro. You want to smash it good, man. Like it's December 1st and you went all the way through with no November, you know?
But I had like a 3-month head start, so boom. Like, I'm basically a pro at it. Okay. After you cut half a lime, you know what actually first? Avocados. When you go pick up, you might have probably seen this in the video earlier, but when you go pick up avocados, you want them to give. Okay. You want them to be soft. What you do is you go ahead, you do it like that, you go all the way around, and then I'm gonna teach you guys a pro trick right here. Check this out. Boom, solid. I know a lot of you guys want to grab a spoon and take this out. Check it out. And then you just like that, bro. And people like to go and put the spoon in there. Not me, bro. Look, I do a couple slices just to make it decent. This is a pro tip right here. I'm hitting you guys with all the pro tips today. Check it out. Ooh. I just smush it right in there. I don't play no game.
I don't mess around.
And I don't waste time.
Okay. I'm really bad at it out here. You just do that with the other 2 avocados or the other rest of the 2 avocados. It gets messy, so okay, don't do that. Then you do the same thing with the other one. All the way around. And then you do the little twisteroo, boom, open. Oh, these are a little brown right there, you see that? So what you do, you just grab this little swooperoo, baby. We don't want that. Take that out. Once again, do a couple slices, smash it right in there. You don't need to waste time with the spoon. Can you pick that up?
Boy, I will cut you.
You mad, bro?
Okay.
You want to go ahead and grab your tomatoes, because this is where the fun gets going. Cut it in half, boom, just like that. Real quick, can we focus on this? All right, so there's not a lot of seeds in there. I just literally go ahead and go in there and scoop them out, and then you just go ahead and cut it one time for the big time. You want to make them as small as you can, but I mean, like sometimes that doesn't happen. I've never been very good at cutting tomatoes, honestly. Go ahead and smash the aguacates. You don't want it too smooth though, you know what I'm saying? You want it to be chunky. I like them chunky. If it ain't chunky, it ain't funky. And if it ain't funky, and then you grab your knife like this, check it out. Now, you go ahead and grab your cebolla. This looks amazing though, by the way, just like that. Okay. Cut off the butt. You don't need this. Peel it. You want to get rid of that first layer. You don't really need that. You can just now you grab very thin 3 slices. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Then you put this away because you're not going to use this ever again in your life. Okay. And then you cut this real small. From right here, you go ahead and you add it. Boom. Just like that. Fire. Now we do the cilantro. Do a close up on here and then we'll just cut this up. Alright, the secret to cutting cilantro is that you can actually leave the stem in there. A lot of people don't know this, but you can. It's all green. That's decent, right? My eyes actually hurt right now. I'm actually crying. I'm crying, for real. Alright, so while you're crying and you're like tears and you took a picture and sent it to your significant other and told them how much you miss them, grab your cilantro and then you go ahead and put it back into the molcajete. Picture what's gonna happen because it's about to get very serious, very quick. Very awesome. You can put jalapeño in there if you want, but if you ain't ready for it, don't go stunting, don't go fronting, don't go be pretending something you're not when you can't handle the heat. If you can't handle the heat, get out the kitchen. Or just don't put no jalapeños in there. Alright, now that you've done that, you want to make slices long way. Real small, real small. That's pro right there. Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit more off. You know, I think that's good right here. Bam. Alright, we'll add a little more. Alright, we'll add a little more. Just to make it a little spicy. A little spicy room. So you go ahead and grab your spoon and you mix it up. You see all the colors right here. And then you just wanna swirl it all up. So you go ahead and but now you gotta add the lime. A little bit, you know, make sure it gets in there though, I didn't get it all in there. Then you put a little bit of salt, a little bit, just to make sure all the flavors mix together. What kind of angle are you at? And then you go and salt bait it. Bam, 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 bam. And then you clench your biceps so that people know that you're really working hard for this. And then right there, that's basically it. Mix it all in, get all the juices in. Alright. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching and tune in next time. There's gonna video pop up over here. There's gonna be a video that pops up over here. And my head gonna pop up over here.
So thanks for watching, and everything I used to make this video plus the recipe is linked in the description.
Wow,
Check it
I
out.
think I outdid myself. This guy, say bye. Over here, say bye. Alright, bye.